Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. We've already opened Premiere Pro. I'll open the project file saved in Explainer 2. We're going to start by trimming the video clips we've already included here on the timeline. This allows us to make them shorter by trimming the starts and ends as needed. Let's say I only want each flower clip to show on screen for a maximum of 10 seconds. I can trim the start of each clip or the end of each clip as needed by selecting the left or rightmost end, holding down my left mouse button and dragging. While I'm trimming the end of a clip, the preview panel shows the updated length of the clip. And when I trim the start of a clip, it shows how much I've trimmed off from the start of it. This works well, as you can see, and this method of trimming is fine for this beginner explainer series. If you're going to work with Premiere Pro or other video editing software regularly and will be looking beyond this series, there's a more professional way to trim clips and add them to your timeline. Search for 3-point editing online. Next, let's add some crossfades between the flower clips. In Premiere, there's a useful keyboard shortcut that will apply a default transition to all the clips we select. I'll start by selecting all the flower clips by holding down my Shift key and clicking on them. Now all I need to do is press Ctrl D on my keyboard, that's Command D on a Mac, and we now have an automatic fade in at the start of the sequence, a crossfade between each clip, and a fade out at the end of the sequence. Not bad for a single keyboard shortcut. You can choose the transition Premiere applies when you use this keyboard shortcut. Go to the Effects panel at the top of the window and browse the video transitions. Find one you like, right-click on it, and set selected as default transition. If you'd like to render this updated sequence to a video file, start by going to File, Export, Media. See the previous explainer for help with rendering settings. You may have noticed this video is currently completely lacking any audio. We'll add sound in Explainer 4.
Pixels.cool.